My name is Hendrik Tekeleto. I'm a senior power engineer with Mascom, and I'm under a department called Mechanical and Engineering Services. I am also, as an added qualification on what we're going to be talking about, certified operations specialist with Uptime Institute. That is a body that has everything to do with the resilience and the standard of data centers. A data center is a place where, or it's a building where services are hosted, if I may put it like that. It serves different purposes for different people, depending on what kind of customers you serve. But for Mascom, a data center is the core of the business of Mascom, in the sense that all the systems to do with the entire network, all the systems to do with our internal systems, and all your MyZaga, your other Mascom Online, and all those systems are hosted in the data center. And also, if in layman terms, that's where the network generates, if I may put it like that. So I am tasked by the business with uptime, if I may put it like that. That is continued availability of service as far as the data center is concerned. So I'm taking care of systems that are supporting every single server that sits in the data center. We have a total of 4. Obviously, Mascom Innovation Center in Pakalani being the biggest one in capacity, and we have the oldest Mascom data center, which is in HQ in Tsoleta, and then we have one in Francistown and one in Maung. Like I mentioned before, everything generates in the data center. You need to understand that in this technology era, almost everything that we have to do is influenced by Wi-Fi, by mobile connection, and by computers, if I may say. In this current 5G and 5G plus technology rollout, the data center is the core of where everything originates, as far as connectivity. So you realize that as Mascom, as a telco company, the data center is the core of what we do. If we take away the data center, I can say Mascom will cease to exist, or cease to serve the customers, if I may say. Because we have sites, close to 1,000 sites distributed across the entire country. And the country is divided into zones for operations and maintenance and monitoring and network attendance, if I may say, purposes. We have a team in Francistown taking care of Zone B. Zone A is Gaborone all the way up to Charles Hill, if I may say. So the country is divided into 2. The Gaborone team is taking care of Zone A, and the Francistown team is taking care of Zone B. Usually, and people don't understand how all these things are related as far as power and network availability. One of our biggest headache is power availability as far as BPC, but it's something we are working at. It's a continuous process where we are working on fortifying our backup systems. But my primary role in Mascom, inclusive of operations in the entire network, is taking care of data centers. That includes making sure that systems are running the way they are supposed to be running. So that is, we have generators that are put in place, and the capacity is massive, especially in MIC, that are put in place to be able to support the network should BPC power go out. And those generators need service according to the run hours or according to the time they've been there. So we have SLAs with different specialists that I'm currently managing. We have SLAs with UPS specialist and rectifier specialist, and we have cooling systems that are chilling the entire data center space that need constant service, that need constant attention. So we have physical daily works in the entire data center space, and then we have dates and schedules for each and every system that I'm currently managing to make sure that everything works as it's intended to to work, and every part is replaced and everything is checked, all the reports are assessed, and ensuring that our robustness, as I said before, as far as redundancy, serves us as we intended to initially. As far as what I do, I take pride in being able to provide service as far as the data center space. It also extends to the sites, but I'll concentrate more on data centers. The generators that I was talking about, when there's no BPC power, our generators kick in to support the space. But before the generator, because it's a mechanical equipment, it's going to take time to produce the power quality that we need. We have batteries in place that are then taking care of the load. So the switch over from BPC switching off to the generator kicking in is seamless. Your load or the systems that are sitting in the white space, aka the data center, are not able to pick that there's an outage. So for robustness and resilience of systems, we have everything as far as power backup doubled, and cooling doubled. For the data center was designed, or MIC specifically was designed on Uptime Institute Tier 3 specifications, which means that redundancy is properly taken care of. This is an N+1 arrangement where you have one system taking care of the same load should another fail. So what I'm tasked with and what I'm supposed to do is to ensure that redundancy and that resilience that has been designed serves us, because it's pointless if systems are not taken care of to be able to produce the service that we need from them. So maintenance management system is what works best to serve the Mascom network.